sound in the ocean is life. Without sound, there will be no life in the ocean. This is the only support of information that all inhabitants of the sea are able to share. Then, if we understand that this sound can be contaminated or this channel of communication can be altered by different operations at sea, we understand that this is putting at risk the balance of the ocean. Any human activity in the ocean produces sound. Transport, which is shipping, with the machine noise and the propellers make a lot of noise. The construction of windmill farms makes a lot of noise. Navy maneuvers, oil and gas prospection, all these activities produce a lot of noise that is introduced in the ocean. And one of the solutions is to provide technological approaches that will reduce the introduction of noise. We cannot ask this industry to stop operating. We cannot ask the Navy to stop protecting the country. We cannot ask oil and gas operators to stop extracting oil and gas. This is at the moment what we rely on. So as scientists, we need to provide solutions that will provide these operators with an alternative technological way to extract the same information and limiting the effect on the marine environment.